Do you have an error with the ChakraCore Debugger module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Microsoft Chakra working again. While we cover the technical fix for ChakraCore Debugger module, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the ChakraCore Debugger module, the debugging execution library for the ChakraCore JavaScript engine. It allows developers to troubleshoot scripts inside apps like Microsoft Edge or specialized automation tools. While primarily for devs, its absence can cause module not found errors in third-party launchers that use JS for their UI logic. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including ChakraCore Debugger module DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including ChakraCore Debugger module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of ChakraCore Debugger module. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning ChakraCore Debugger module-related issues. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing ChakraCore Debugger module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.